Yeah, hi guys. You know where I'm going today? I'm going to buy me another I can't remember. I'm going to buy me another tripod. I don't know where it is, the other one. So I have to go to Wi-Fi, JB Hi-Fi, Wi-Fi, whatever. Says, how do you say it? JB Hi-Fi. Or anyway, you guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm going there to get me a new tripod, guys. I need one. Cause I don't know where the other one is. Yeah. Hallo kusue maisesime. And you know why I'm wearing a cap, guys? Because I haven't gone to the hairdresser on Friday. That's tomorrow. I'm going to get me my hair done. Wailua. So you guys are coming with me. Wailua. A bit of dust on my lens. Okay, bye guys. Okay, I'm going into the JB Hi-Fi because I've got to get me that thing you hold when, you know, like I was telling you? Yeah. This thing right here. Here it is. Okay. Look at all these stands here. So they've got this one here, the bigger one. Yeah, well I'm after this here. This one's $95. It's pretty heavy. The one I got is this one here. But I don't mind this one because it's yeah, I couldn't find it because I'll find it later. But this one's the longer one. Because I think I got this one, which is alright. But then this is tall, so yeah, I'll get, you know, like you can just put your food up and, you know, it focuses straight away.
You know what happened last night?
What happened?
I went to use that thing on Ray, you know, the massager thing.
Yeah.
And I didn't even know that the tip of the wire was already stretchy thing. Yeah, you know, all mine's pulled out.
Yeah.
So when I went to think, it just went, and then it stopped.
It's stuffed up.
And I didn't know, you know why it is? Because I would always wrap it up like this.
Go take it somewhere and they can rewire it for you. I'm just thinking, I want one of those cameras.
Can you do that though? Rewire it?
Yeah, but you just gotta find where. Hello. You take the massage over there. The massage, the portrait, darling.
I didn't even have no idea that it was really good. I don't know when it came. It must be that time every time I keep pulling in my room. Yeah, they should be able to do that,
Yeah, hi. Now I'm just trying to find me a camera that, you know, when you put something up close to it, it just goes focus straight away. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. Because this camera, when I do it, it gets all blurry.
Yeah, it'll be, I think the aperture.
Thank you. I was telling myself that I should go see my area. Thank you very much. Do you know your number? 50. I forgot your number to be in the thing. Yeah, they used to be near Woolworth, but they got moved. Not many people were going to them. Oh yeah. So for yeah. Do you know Damien was collecting these?
Yeah, Genesis had heaps. How much is that?
Lima Kala.
Genesis had about 20.
Yeah. Yeah, Kara always used to say, "What can you buy a car with that?" I know he doesn't want to have fun, that dude. I bought one for you, I bought one for Bono, but you bought one for the old lady because I mistakenly took hers back to Melbourne. Don't lie, you took it on purpose.
I thought it was mine that was on the thing, and I put it in my face, and I got home, I'm like, I got three. Then I remember, I was like, I don't want to go halfway.
Sis, can we just stop by here so I can put that, switch this. There's supposed to be a chicken under here.
They use your fork to peel it out.
Oh, there it is. Yummy. And this is my burger. I'm going to show you guys. Wait a minute. Here's my burger right here. And there. Look at that. Bang. Doesn't that look lovely? Then I have the chicken and chips in there. And my garlic sauce. Yeah. So that goes here. Put this over here. So this is my garlic sauce. And I also have, guys, have to get dessert, right? My salted caramel. Can you see that? I got 4. 2 for me and 2 for my sister. But anyway, that's my burger. That's my lunch today, guys. So I'm gonna put the camera down so you guys can eat with me. That's why I put the chair here. I'll black plus him, yeah. Huh? No, it's the wrong end. Why the camera getting us over? Okay. Never mind, guys. You'll have to see me black. I am black. Look at this burger. Have a bite, guys. I already done my prayer. Pretty noisy in here. Hang on. I have to spread out this chicken, right? Because it's in one. You know where I got my food from? Borders. Oh yeah, it's got a bit of cheese. Nice the bun. Salt. Gonna have a bite now, guys. I gave you guys a bite, eh? Yeah. I would come on there. I would have a bite. I want to wrap it up. I'll wrap it up, right? So whatever falls down, falls into the back.
Don't we have some of your sauce?
And I didn't buy a drink. I brought me some Hagen water from home. I've been drinking Hagen water, guys. So far, it's the best water out there. If you want some Hagen water, you let me know. Someone's making noise back there. Oh, it's better, eh?
Yeah.
Very tasty. Oh, I shouldn't have done it because I could have thought, because you know how I took it and I took it for myself and I thought, this wasn't even my plate. And I put the sauce on there. Oh, okay. I was hoping you'd able to get the plate. Oh, bye. I think that girl likes me. She looks, she put a little nugget. Did you get a nugget? I'm gonna special. Thank you, girl. Yeah.
You mean the guy?
The boy. Oh, he must like me. Sorry guys, I look black, eh? Yeah, because it's so dark. Wait, if I put it this way, wait. I don't know, yeah, it's a bit later. But I ain't gonna tuck this chair over here. Okay, guys. Says stop it. Hey, at least you guys still hanging out with me, huh? It's gonna be like that. Okay? Okay, guys. Anyway, check it now. Okay, I'm gonna move my camera this way. Look at this. Look at this. Right. Look how shiny it is. Yeah, have a bite. Have a bite, guys. Oh, darn. Oh, my God. Yeah. It comes like chicken, hamburger, and hot chips. $16. $16, guys. So moist. In my hand. Will give my fine. Love. This is nice. Well, we get a this place gets a big, fat, yum yum stuff of porter. You know it's not that far from my place. You just drive down past a little bit and you add a porter. I can't even say is that it? A porter?
Oh, they got one. That's the one
At the corner, right at the corner. Where used to be the petrol station. Way back in the day. When?
Western Road. And the old lady.
It's moist, eh? Like especially not like some places you go there, it's like dry. Oi. I dipped this in the garlic sauce, guys. Pero, la café de spaghetti. Right. I kept it in. This is really nice, guys. I don't know if you have Apollos in New Zealand, do you? You think there's an Apollo in New Zealand? If there's no Apollo in New Zealand, I'll show you guys. It's right there. See? Do you have one in New Zealand? I don't know. But that's where I got my meal, guys. And it's really nice. See? Just the bum of the chicken, right? My husband said in Tagalog they call it the fastest nose, and he loves it, not me. I don't like Muli Bibi. How could I like that? Muli Bibi. Since I told him the story about how our father caught it, you know, he was Lara papalang yun eh, Muli Bibi. Muli Bibi. Kaya, kung ino wish mo iba. she requested. So I'll get one for my daughter. What about the other daughter? Hi, I'd like to do the one, please. This one, thanks. No vegetable whatsoever. I just want beef, please. Yeah. Can I have sweet chili and oyster, please? Yeah, and I'll have another one as well, please.
Burned it. Really? Burned too much?
Exactly the same.
Yeah, that noodle, please. Yeah, and then yeah, a little bit of veggie thanks. And this time I'll have beef and barbecue pork, please. Then the same sauce. Yes, please. No, that's it, thank you. Thank you very much. So, who knows what this is? Doesn't have a name here. Yeah, that's a noodle, nice noodle too. And it's my favorite, mushroom beef. Yeah, hi. I've already made my order. I'm just having a look. Thank you. Yeah, I usually get this. This is what I usually get. I get the noodles, right? And then I come over here and I ask for this, the mushroom beef. And then I go all the way over here and I get the salted pepper fish. So that is a meal, beautiful. Oh, look what I see over there. Okay. I think I'll get that for my son. Okay, how much is the... Okay, two choices, right? Okay. Yeah, I just seen that. See that? See that right there? That's really nice. That's really nice. It's like finely cut up pork and yeah. Yeah, finely cut up pork and yeah. Yeah, can I have a takeaway? Can I have a large takeaway, please? Yeah. With the noodle, thanks. Yeah. Yeah, I'll have the pork. And I'll have the mushroom beef. Yeah, I won't mind. Thank you. this is for my son. Yeah, because he likes to come home and eat his food. Okay. Oh, where's my sister? Oh, I see her. I see her. Okay. Hey, doggy. Somewhere here. That's done. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you. See?
Oh, you don't need plastic. You just buy it like
Yeah. Excuse me, can I have 2 bags, please, just to put my drink in it so I can carry it? Oh, it's right, yeah. Oh, I remember I did that to you last time. Sorry about that. Oh, sorry. That was me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Yeah.
See how nice the drinks are today?
Yeah. Yeah. See, guys, got a tally drink.
How much is that?
$5.90, I think.
Especially now that it's summer.
Yeah. Nice day, isn't it? That's down at Mountain County, guys. Everyone's having a feed. See? Yeah. I better look forward. I don't want to fall and you guys laugh at me, right? Cool, yeah. So hot. Imagine going into your car in the middle of summertime. And it's like you got to go in there to get cooked. Okay, guys. We're heading home now, okay? Can't film because you guys might know where I live. Like you want to know. Sorry, guys. We're on our way home and someone over there is waiting for my car park, so I can't talk too long. Fast forward.